Hello and welcome to Kingdom Specialist Cars. We're very pleased to present for sale on this gloriously sunny day this Mercedes-Benz SL 500, registered in November 1994. This car's covered a mere 20,000 miles from new. There is a comprehensive history file from its servicing over its life from both main dealers and service specialists. There is each and every MOT certificate from 1997. Obviously that documents the mileage too. Finished in tourmaline green metallic with cream beige leather upholstery, it presents beautifully well, as you'd expect of a 20,000 mile car. Now the specification is very nice of this one. You have the wood and leather steering wheel, 3-position memory seating for both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats. You have climate control air conditioning and the original Mercedes-Benz exquisite cassette radio fitted as well. So the car is all original, and as you can see from the mileometer today, it has 20,162 miles, which is really rather nothing at all. Beautiful green this in the sunshine. I believe in the American market it's called emerald green, which I think is more fitting for it. If you'd like more details of this superb example of a 129 SL 500 with just 20,000 miles, do please get in touch. The details are on the website, which is www.kingdomspecialistcars.com. Please do note the headlamp, which is a little misty, is going to be replaced before sale. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.